checking the generator. So we got a little bit of rain and you need to keep an eye out like all the time. Ayman and me just decided to play chicken. So this generator, like it has been a while, and you have to put both switches on, and then it will start. Then you can pull it, and it starts right away. I was thinking, no, I only need to put the switches on if I want power, right? So I just pull it on, and then like you put the switches on if you need power. But no, it's not gonna work like that. And I should have remembered, but I'm getting older. Not too old, but I'm getting older.
And with that, he earned the title of first engineer of the boat.
Hey! Woohoo! Thank you! So we got a little bit of rain. So we got the wind from the right direction, but now it goes down again. But we gained some speed. We were on 5.4 and now we're at 4.9. So we're still gaining some speed. We were at 4.5 before we put the sails out. So still gaining a little. Strait of Messina, and like I had 3 ferries to take care of, like this one, that one, and this one. So I had to wait till that one was out of the port, that one was turning, and that one is coming in. So that one, I had to wait for this one turning, otherwise, yeah, it's gonna get tricky. And you need to keep an eye out like all the time in this strait, because there's ferries going over and over and over, and there's like big freighters. So yeah, you have to be really careful what you're doing. And now I'm like heading away from him a little bit, and then there's the other one is heading straight for me, so I'm gonna head straight in between them. And then, yeah, I'll be okay. So you also have the foil boats. We saw them in Preveza already. And now we see one in front of us. I hope you can hear it because of the wind, but so those boats do 34 knots, 34, 35. Ayman and me just decided to play chicken with another boat. That one. Who do you think is gonna win? Okay. I'll be the chicken. Bye, Sicily. In the back. But we'll meet again someday. And there is Calabria. the province, like on the Strait of Messina on the other side. Hi, Sicily. We just got through one part that was like we were doing almost 7.5 knots, and then it dropped down to 5.5, 5. So that was the spot that was like, and you saw the like the waves. You see the white caps over there. That's the point. Like the two things, like the two currents meet, I think. Welcome to Calabria, another part of Italy.
Very similar to yesterday's video, but
Good morning. We're in Marina di Palmi, and we took the nice weather with us. So I'm now gonna go for the toilets over there and show you around a little bit. Camera can't get too wet, so here are the toilets. Look pretty nice. Washer. I should have known that. Showers. Pretty good. What do you think? Like and subscribe, please. So you see, my boat is the biggest one in this marina, but there's also Voy Voy. It's 6 meters. 6 meters, and the guy wanted to go through the Suez. He couldn't, so now he's going around the Cape the Good Hope. I will show you the boat if I walk past it. I would never in my life do that. But okay, I'm not Sam Holmes, so he's also like, it's 8 meter boat, but it's different. It's still different from, it's way different from Sam Holmes, this guy. Passing the Strait of Messina, they tell you beware of the sword fishermen. Like, I saw some reviews from 2019, and like over there, you see the blue boat. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side. You see the blue boat with the big mast. So the driver of the boat is all the way on top, and yeah, looking out for the swordfish, and the spearman is gonna go on the front. So yeah, but we didn't see them.
See you guys later. Live long and prosper.
Going to make some lunch. That's one. What a treat, what a treat.
Live long and prosper.